Good to see you all.
So you guys have gotten so tall, you're taller than your grandkids. And how old are you now?
I am
13.
13.
I'll be 14 in September. Oh. 14 in how many months, right? Yeah, right. I was just thinking. So, Marissa's
The Rainforest Café, a wild place to shop and eat.
They have another one in that other store. What is it?
Yeah.
They're building a giraffe.
You don't know? What are they called? Really?
Lego? They said 5.
Right now, you should hear me coming out of the left.
And you should be hearing me on the right side of the room, by the fireplace. Look over here. Here I am. What did you say?
And I'm in the center. Whatever that is.
I'm in the center too.
I'm roaring in the back. What happens in the jungle stays in the jungle. Smile. It should look sound pretty good. That's the wrong thing. Let's keep it on. What are we looking at?
Yeah. Dinner. No.
I told her that we go all the time.
We do?
Well, you did. I told her you're a Safari Club member, so. Because over in Gurney they have like a, what do you call it? Like a Safari, what is that called? Across the way.
Rainforest. Could you hold this a second?
You know what I'm talking about?
Could we use this at all? Somehow I found this in my pocket. Yeah, it looks important. For cable or something?
Oh, look.
What is that, Marissa?
Hippo.
Hippos?
Platypus.
Cool. How does it
Maybe
work?
the light. We can't get to her.
Lights up.
Sorry, guys.
Oh, it's a little. Now I
There
see
she
it.
is. Okay, now let's see who's cheating.
Yeah.
Marissa's actually taller?
Yes, she is.
Wow. You want to be taller, Marissa?
She likes
So it is what it is, huh?
Most of her friends are
Shorter,
really short, yeah. Are you short for your age?
Oh, boy. Rainforest Café.
Center.
Yum, yum.
So is that something about
Hi, I'm Tracy Tree.
African rainforests are home to parrots, African birds, and others too numerous to mention. South American rainforest is home to the forest, Amazon, and the rainforests of Australia and New Zealand are home to various cockatoos.
Oh, isn't that sweet? Your adventure begins here at the Rainforest Café. What kind of harp is that? I think they're calling us. Where's the shooting star? Where's the Aurora Borealis?
So how's everyone doing today? Fabulous. How are you? Good. I'm hanging in there, My camera. I didn't wash your hands. I don't know where the people are. I know.
Okay. What are you guys in? The bathroom chair? No, the bathroom in the bathroom.
The bathrooms are closed because the tanks leaked? What is going on here? The desserts? Oh, look at the awesome blossoms. Oh, wait, we bought peanut. I said awesome blossoms.
Light them up in sparklers. And they walk out and they all shout, oh!
Colleen, you hate mushrooms.
As long as I don't eat it.
This is like your nightmare.
No, I like it. I like being underneath it. I just don't want to eat it.
Leonard Nimoy. To go where no man has gone before.
Chevy, Safari at 3. Please approach your rock. Your adventure's leaving without you. Chevy.
That part of the bathroom tank.
And then we gotta find the bathroom.
It's unsanitary to use the bathroom, but it's okay to eat here. Is that it?
Okay.
All right, good.
Rainforest.
Okay, now what are you going to be when you grow up?
I'm gonna be an FBI agent.
An undercover FBI agent?
Yeah.
All right, now
001.
everybody knows about it. You might want to choose another career.
You tricked me.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Keep her
Wow.
braces on, her glasses on. Oh, she'll have to
Let's start our own show. Get Stupid.
That's stupid.
Missed it by that much.
Missed it by.
have her DVDs from, the original Get Smart show, so he can show Bryce what the real original is before we go see the movie. Oh, Steve Carell and what's
Which one do you think you'll like better, Bryce?
I'm doing word search. I can't talk right now.
Let me hear your missed it by that much.
Word search.
No, it's the girl from Princess Diaries. What's her
Oh,
name?
Anne Hathaway.
Anne Hathaway, yeah. I don't know.
I've seen the billboard before.
All right, let's go to the movies. Woo, the movies. Well, it's like we're on vacation.
Never good enough movies.
So you want to go to the Grand Canyon?
Well, I'd like to go to Mount Rushmore first.
Mount Rushmore
And Rocky Mountain.
next summer?
Bryce Canyon.
Next
Bryce
summer.
Canyon. Yeah, my 40th birthday. If I make it that
Do
long.
you want to go in June?
Probably. That's when my birthday month is, so
All right. So you want to get a new van and go in a different van or
maybe we'll rent one.
rent a van?
RV.
Because we're kind of spoiled. Let me take a picture of you two. All right, insert. It says insert your memory stick. It won't let me take it.
You have to switch it. You don't have the memory stick.
Fries. I need to clog my arteries as
Well,
soon
you
as
know the
possible.
fries, they're waffle fries, right?
No, they're not.
Oh, so just like regular
Seasoned fries.
seasoned fries.
All right,
let's
do it.
Fries. I got the Oh, she wants chips, you want fries.
Okay.
And we're actually, I think, going to split a pot roast.
All right. All right.
I need to clear my arteries as soon as possible. You got it?
Do you want chicken, beef, or
Oh, this is an awesome appetizer. I can't wait to eat those fingers. All right, very good.
All right, enjoy. Bryce, you want a chicken? No, it's just an appetizer.
Yeah, I'm gonna find it.
All right. He's going to get some.
I get your menu for it?
What's on it?
Your menu's out of the way.
How good is it, Marissa?
Coconut. Sorry, I don't know about this.
I'm gonna try this calamari. Even though I just ate one, it's so good. Here, you eat it. What happened? What happened, Heather?
You dropped your eggs and then you let us throw them on the floor.
Throw the
Really?
rest of the carton, you mean?
Yes.
Wow.
Eight.
That's amazing. Someday, after I reach menopause, I won't be able to do that anymore.
Surprise.
What's your favorite thing on here?
Danny, what's yours?
Those are pretty good.
You want to try the onion or the
Onion
chicken
rings? Chicken rings?
Yeah. It might be hot though.
Do you love them?
You don't like it? No.
I hope you didn't get that.
Wow.
You get the itty bitty.
See a Jim Carrey imitation. Alrighty then. You ever seen Jim Carrey choke under pressure? I don't think so. Oh, it's thundering.
What'd you order? Did you order green entree? What'd you order?
Fajitas.
That sounds good. You used to hide under the table? Wow, when are they going to fix those toilets?
It's gonna start ringing on our table. Oh, not anymore.
It's over.
Rice used to be like attached to me. So it would go away and they finally calm down. Right?
Why do you want to be an FBI agent? Why do you want to be an FBI agent?
Crime scene investigation.
Okay, now what about the cutting up the brains?
Yeah, I couldn't do that. That's why I switched to FBI.
I don't really know. If you cut up a brain, can you really tell anything? All right.
I like.
So first you have to become a traffic cop, right?
Yeah, and then a state police, and then like I don't know. You have to take so many tests to get up there.
Are you a little scared for your daughter? I mean, being out there in that rushing traffic.
Rushing traffic. We're in downtown.
Bryce is going to be famous.
Well, tell them about our audition.
Everything doing okay over here so far?
You got a nice salad.
Yes.
I got to get the food on film.
Not me eating.
What kind of soup is that?
Right.
Clam chowder.
Clam chowder, perfectly seasoned, I can see.
Yeah. You can afford to pay for it yourself. Making the cut, but then they want to know if they're really serious about taking acting classes, and then they send you home with a package, but the classes are for 20 weeks, no, 40 weeks, but it's like $4,000 to $5,000. Like, sorry guys.
Did you call them?
No.
She never called them.
She never called them.
That's the whole problem.
That's why.
I ain't paying $5,000 for acting classes. I didn't forget.
We forgot to call them. Oh my goodness. I'll call them back.
Mom, you got
Look how they had to line up the ice like that. That's amazing. They make it and they line it up.
The end of May.
Wow. That's so great. Colleen, what did you get?
Same as you, they split it for us.
They did?
Yeah.
Look at the size of the portion.
Do you want me to take that plate anyway?
Look at the way they made that pickle. Wow. That's
I don't like pickles. You want it?
No, I'm not into pickles either. We should taste it though. Are they shaped like dinosaurs? Let me see.
They gotta show them the camera.
Wow, they all have different dinosaur shapes, huh? That's neat.
Are they looking good?
Fantastic.
Anything else I can get for you right now? Ketchup, mustard?
I dare you to take a bite of your pickle.
Mashed potatoes?
I don't like pickles.
I know, that's why I dare you.
A bottle of what?
What happened, Colleen? They didn't split it,
They
did they?
split it, they just gave me the wrong thing.
Yeah, but that's okay.
Did you get the pot roast? Yes, I did.
Wow. What'd you get, dinosaurs too?
Yeah, dinosaurs.
Big fries there, Bryce.
Dinosaurs.
Dinosaur fries. Wow, I didn't tell them that. You have to ask them.
And I'm on a diet.
Send you their cheese, you can see it.
Yummy.
Right over here. Get him, get the ketchup.
Here's your ketchup.
Real loud. This looks like a fish. Oh no, it's a dinosaur. Would you like me to help you?
Thank you. It's perfect. Good job. What happened? Wait, that's too much ketchup. Oh!
You didn't see that.
Out of control.
Well, they're actually having it on. I mean, like it's coming to the United Center. You can pay to go see it.
Cool.
Thank you.
This is delicious, isn't it?
Donna? You good? Very good. How's your fajitas, Dan? Fred's stepdad had given us, but we didn't have any way to hook it up or connect it to. He's like Mr. I don't know how he knows all this stuff. So now he's bugging me. Everything should be surround sound, Mom. Everything has to be Blu-ray, Mom. Everything's like the high-tech stuff, and I'm like,
I don't think that the 80 decibels were too loud. What did you think, Bryce? 80 decibels were fine, didn't you think?
Gotta get a subwoofer.
See?
I can't hear you. He can't hear you. He's deaf now after 80 decibels.
We gotta get a subwoofer.
Oh my goodness. A lot of famous actors work at Starbucks.
I gotta work at Office Depot.
Yeah, now there you go. Let's get organized. Storm's over. Hey Bryce, let me know if the monorail goes by. I want to make sure I get a picture of it.
Monorail.
Here's Daniel.
It turns out
Oh.
she starts school early, but she has
It's the only restaurant I've been to where the dolphins sometimes sound exactly like gorillas. Marissa, could you make Dad an iced tea? Thanks. Appreciate that. Colleen, make some popcorn. It's a great movie. I'm going to watch it for a while. Bryce, turn down the music. It's a little loud. All right, that's better. Okay. Here's my inspiration right here.